How are the strikers anyway?
Actually, I helped the strikers move out to LA. I hooked them up with a place and a bunch of free furniture.
And I gave them the V card.
No, that's not true. And yeah, so they're out here.
Living with seven.
They're in LA.
Cool. Yeah. Strikers.
Are you guys curious of anything of each other?
What'd you say?
Are you? I said, are you curious? No, I mean like.
What the hell is wrong with you?
What kind of questions are you asking? Why are you giving me two today? What is going on?
You always push that.
No, I said, are you guys?
You are pushing us to be gay?
I said, are you curious of like anything that you don't know? Does it always have to be sexuality?
Are you curious about each other?
I meant like, yeah, but that wasn't
I'm
supposed
curious about Steve, but
that wasn't supposed to be sexual.
This is because I make fun of her the most. That's why.
You got
that might be true.
this one right here has like a dirty mind. I swear. Anyway, no, like, do you not? Never mind. I'm not gonna talk. What?
We don't keep secrets from each other, so.
Aw, they're a very open crew.
Yeah.
Right?